Have you ever felt like your IT services company is doing well, but you're still not really scaling? Projects are coming in, your team is busy, clients are happy, but your margins, they're thinner than you'd like. And somehow, everything still depends on you. Hey there, I'm Tabish Bibikar. And for the past decade, I've coached founders of software companies, helping them move from founder-driven hustle to system-driven scale. And I'm excited to announce something new, the Tech Founders Growth Accelerator program. Just 6 Saturdays to scale. If your business is between 3 crores and 12 crores in revenue, and you're experiencing too much dependence on the founder, unpredictable sales, thin margins, or delivery that won't scale, this program is built especially for you. Over 6 alternate Saturdays, we'll go deep into every piece that makes a tech business scalable. You'll learn how to package your services so clients pay for value, not time. Build a repeatable, founder-driven, independent sales process. Know when and how to hire key roles like project managers and salespeople. Track project profitability and stop cash leakage. Implement SOPs and dashboards so your business runs on systems. Develop your leadership style that grows people and reduces founder dependency. Each workshop is absolutely hands-on. You'll get frameworks, templates, and dashboards you can apply right away in your business. This isn't theory. These are systems I've used while coaching over 100 software companies across India. Companies like Logiciel, Mavidev, Cynoteck, who've improved profits, built leadership, and scaled faster. If you're tired of running in your business and ready to start building a business that runs without you, this is where it starts. We begin on Saturday, 22nd of November, 2025 in Ahmedabad, and seats are limited because we want every founder to get personal attention. If you're ready to move your company from coding to scaling, reach out to my colleagues Tejaswini and Swati, the numbers displayed for you. They'll help you get started on your scaling journey smoothly. Because scale isn't about working harder, it's about learning the playbook that actually makes it happen. I'll see you inside the Tech Founders Growth Accelerator program. Thanks for watching.